In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on a Xero invoice. Navigating through your finances in Xero includes a variety of tasks, and adjusting the currency for an invoice is a common need, especially for businesses dealing with international clients. Let's dive into how you can seamlessly make these changes in just a few steps. First things first, you need to go to the Xero website. Use your preferred browser, type in the Xero URL, and hit enter. Xero's homepage is where it all begins. At the top right corner of the homepage, you'll find the Login button. Clicking on this button is your gateway to enter into your digital accounting realm. A login page will appear asking for your credentials. Here you will need to type in your registered email and password. Ensure you enter the details correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, go ahead and click on Login to access your Xero dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to where the action happens. You'll notice a Business tab in the main navigation bar. Click on it. Under the Business section, there's an option titled Invoices. Click on Invoices to proceed. This area is where you manage all things invoice related, from creating new invoices to viewing and managing existing ones. To locate the specific invoice you wish to edit, browse through your list of invoices until you find the one that needs a currency adjustment. If you have a lot of invoices, you might use the search feature to narrow down your search based on the invoice's details. Once you've located the right invoice, you'll notice there are 3 dots or an options menu towards the end of the invoice row. Click on these 3 dots to reveal additional actions you can take on the invoice. In the options menu that appears, look for and select Edit. This will take you to the invoice editing page. Here's where you can make various changes to your invoice, including the currency. On the editing page, you should see a drop-down menu for currency. This drop-down menu is your key to changing the currency of your invoice. Click on it to reveal a list of available currencies, scroll through the options, and select the desired currency for your invoice. The currencies available here are based on the currencies set up in your Xero account settings, so make sure you have the needed currencies added before attempting to change an invoice's currency. After selecting your new currency, the next and final step is to click on Update. This button is typically located at the bottom or top of the page and will save the changes you've made. Clicking Update applies the new currency setting to your invoice. And just like that, you've successfully changed the currency on a Xero invoice. It's a straightforward process, but paying attention to the details is key to ensure you're editing the right invoice and selecting the correct currency. A few additional tips to remember. Always double check the currency rate if you're issuing an invoice in a foreign currency. Xero does provide tools to help with currency conversions, but it's always good practice to verify these details to avoid any discrepancies. Also, remember that changing the currency of an invoice could affect the financial reporting. Be mindful of how these changes will reflect on your overall financials, especially if you're dealing with multiple currencies regularly. Changing invoice currencies in Xero is just one of the many features designed to make financial management flexible and efficient for businesses across the globe. Whether you're billing international clients or you simply need to adjust invoice details to reflect the correct currency, Xero makes it simple and straightforward. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. For more tips and tutorials on using Xero to its full potential, stay tuned. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Happy invoicing!